Mr. Kashi.
Doctor.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Doctor, please, where is she?
Yeah, she's in the theater. We are planning D&C.
D&C? Doctor, please, what is that?
We need to evacuate it so that she could leave.
Evacuate what, doctor?
Mr. Kashi, you see, the alcohol she took probably caused a miscarriage. We do advise women during the early stages of pregnancy to stay off alcohol. That's...
Early stages of pregnancy? Wait, doctor, are you trying to tell me that she was pregnant?
Mr. Kashi, are you not aware?
Oh my God.
Yes, sure.
Out! Why didn't you tell me that you were pregnant?
Please, let's go inside and talk.
Go inside and do what? You're not going anywhere. First thing is that you're going to tell me why you went to abort a baby that took you 6 years to conceive.
Honey, I didn't even know I was pregnant.
Is that the rubbish you choose to tell me? You better go out there and look for my baby. If not, you are not entering this house.
Honey, please.
Oh, you think I'm joking?
Honey, please. Honey, please. Honey, please. Now, please.
Out!
Honey, please.
Get out!
Hey. Where do I go from here? Honey, I didn't know. Hey. What do I do?
I am not hungry, thank you.
Sir, Madame is still outside. And the doctor said she needs rest.
Will you get out of my sight?
Okay.
Did I not tell you not to come to this house?
Please. My friend, please calm down.
Wait, you think I'm stupid, right? I will teach you a lesson that you'll never forget in your entire life.
Kashi, can I sit so we talk?
I will not stay in this house with a chameleon, especially one that looks like you. Rubbish.
Baby, I didn't know I was pregnant.
Oh, please shut up!
You know what? Let's talk outside.
Please.
Everything is going to be alright, okay?
No. It's not okay. Don't you understand?
Look, all you need now is a hot bath, an abdomen massage. Please.
No. That's not what I need. I'm losing my husband. This whole marriage is going to crumble. Don't you see?
You will not lose your husband. He's just angry. You understand later, okay?
No. He is threatening to marry his ex. And all these things is going to give him the reason to do so.
Look, God is not going to let that happen. God will save your marriage.
Of course. Of course I won't let that happen. I've actually put in everything in me for this marriage to work. So no, I won't let that happen. I won't let it happen. No, he will not leave me.
Please, just come in and rest, I beg you. Please.
I think he has come to stay with her. I shouldn't have taken that whiskey.
Madam, you've been like this for a week now. I'm sure he's fine wherever he is. He will come around when his anger subsides. Please.
I hope he does, because I don't know what will become of me.
Do you want me to help you go look for him? I can go and look for him and talk to him. I can do anything you ask me to do.
No. This is not your battle. I will handle it, okay?
But you're like a sister to me. You've treated me like your sister. You've been so nice to me since I got here. I can do anything to make you happy. I just don't like to see you sad. Please. He's back. Madam, please, don't say anything, even if he's shouting, okay?
Are you okay?
Please help.
Where have you been? I've been worried. Just help me, okay?
Okay. Damn. Sorry.
Please help me. It's okay.
Easy. Madam, please. Over to you.
So you're still in this house?
Baby, will you ever forgive me? You left this house for weeks. And that really hurts.
Since you have refused to leave this house, it means that I'll leave the house for you. And travel out of Nigeria. So that you can be here by yourself. And when I'm tired, I'll sell this house and you will not even know about it.
When do you intend to travel?
That is none of your business.
Thank you, I'm done.
Ma.
I have told you to stop calling me madam.
Look, I don't know how to say this.
Say what? What is it?
Please. You need to do everything possible to adopt a child for yourself. If you don't want to lose your husband, please.
You heard what the doctor told me.
Come.
Look, promise me. Promise me you won't let my husband hear about this, please.
You know I will never betray you. I promise.
So why are you saying all this?
You wouldn't want to hear it. But please, you need to adopt a child as soon as possible if you want your husband to stay. Please.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. It kills me. It kills me every day. Not even what the doctor told me, that I can no longer be my husband a child. Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels for me to look him in the eyes and tell him that I have no womb? Do you?
I can help you.
What do you mean that I must tell my wife that I'm going to the UK? No, I'm not going to do that. Someone who does not want to give me a child has no business knowing what my personal life is. Alright then, I'll talk later. What are you doing? Are you still cleaning?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been here?
Not too long.
So, did you hear my phone call?
No.
Okay, it's fine. You can leave.
Safe trip, sir.
Thank you.
Ma, are you okay? Please come. What's wrong?
I don't know, I've been feeling nauseous lately.
Nauseous?
Yeah.
Does it come with fever?
Yeah. For some days now.
My sister had the signs when she was pregnant. Are you pregnant?
Pregnant?
Sir, I think she's pregnant. Let's take her to a hospital.
Look, I really don't want to miss my flight. Okay, so you can take care of her and make sure she gets to the hospital. I have to leave now.
Sir, I'm sure it could be pregnancy.
I told you this plan will not work. He doesn't care about me anymore.
At least he has a little knowledge about your pregnancy. Trust me. I got this under control, okay?
Trust you? You don't know what you're talking about. You're talking rubbish.
What? But I'm only trying to help. Okay, I think I know what we can do again. Let's try this plan.
Hello? Magdalene.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have good news for you. Good news! Sir, Madame is pregnant!
Excuse me, what?
Yes, sir! Oh God, sir, thank God. No, Madame is pregnant! Yes!
Oh my goodness. Okay, please take care of her until I get back, okay? And I'll make sure that I settle your salary and give you an allowance. Alright?
Sir, I will do anything for Madame. You're going to be a father, sir. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Hello, baby.
Honey, Magdalene just called me with the good news. I mean, congratulations to us.
Yes. Congratulations to us. God answered us sooner than we expected.
Look, just go to the supermarket, right? Get anything you need. The bill is on me, okay?
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Look, honey, I'm so excited. I actually feel like coming back home.
Coming back? No, babe, you don't have to worry. Meg is here and she can take care of us.
Alright, sweetie. Bye. See you later.
I told you I'm the perfect planner. What?
So, what's the next plan?
Relax. Come.
Hey. So tell me, how's the baby? Is the baby kicking?
Yes, the baby is fine. Everything is going all right here. No, there's no pregnancy cravings, just plantain and chips. Yeah, Magdalene is fine. She is taking care of us. So tell me, how is everything there?
Honey, can I call you back later?
Okay.
What was that?
The baby doesn't like the noise.
But I was talking to my husband.
And so? Am I not the one carrying the baby? She doesn't like the noise. Stop talking, please.
Should I massage your legs?
No. Why is your face like that?
Meg, I don't like the way you spoke to me earlier. That was very disrespectful.
Really? You know, I regret wanting to do this. For real. I mean, how you treat me, make me...
Meg,
What?
please. Do not make me feel less, okay?
So... What is it? I think the baby's coming. I need help.
Let me call the baby.
Oh, yes. No, wait, just...
Let me call it.
This is so painful.
Let me call it.
Sorry. Okay, go.
Thank you so much. And don't forget our agreement. This never happened.
I will not.
I paid you enough for this Stella to exist.
Don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. Be fine. I'll take care of this. It's mine.
Okay. Magdalene, thank you so much for this bundle of joy. I am so grateful to you. You know what? Just tell me anything you want and I will do it for you, okay?
I cannot live without my child.
What are you saying?
That's not the right thing to do.
Magdalene, please, don't do this to me. Please.
How do I live without this angel, without this girl? I can't.
Magdalene, what are you saying? Please, let's stick to the original plan. This is the only thing that will bond me and my husband. Please don't do this. Just tell me whatever you want and I will do it for you. Please.
It's not about money. I just can't.
Magdalene, you can have as many as you want. But look at me. I can't have any. Please, please, I beg you, don't do this. Magdalene. Magdalene, say something. Magdalene.
I'm only human, I make mistakes, yeah. Whatever I did for love. Ooh. Oh baby, don't let me go. My life depends on you. Ooh. It's been a long time coming. Oh baby, we can make it right. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. No matter the stormy weather,
What do I do?
we can walk through it together. Ooh. We've been through thick and thin, yeah. But love is a lifetime thing.
Yeah, Muna, what's up? Look, I'm pretty tense right now. Today's my wife's due date and she went to the hospital. And I've been trying to reach her since and to no avail. I don't know, I forgot to ask her. Look, please, I need a favor. Can you please go to my place? And then please just help me speak to my maid and see if she can give you any information because I don't know what to do. Alright? Alright, thank you.
Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything.
I'm leaving now.
It's fine. I've accepted this in good faith. I will be all right. I'm sorry.
Here. You can keep her.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I can't disappoint you. You've been so good to me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where's your phone? Same password? Hi, sir. Sir, Madame has given birth to a beautiful baby girl. No, you can call her later and speak to her. Okay? You see? All done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Stand up.
Thank you.
Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. You're happy, right?
Thank you.
I'll take my leave now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this. You know what? I will transfer 10 million naira to you, okay? Yes, just take it and go to any country of your choice. When you're ready, just let me know. I'll do the visa. Okay? Thank you. Baby. Shh, 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 shh. Baby. Shh. Oh, my love. My love. My love.
Please take care of her.
I will.
Can I play this?
No, you have to play square with square.
Okay, can I play this instead?
Good. I want star.
Okay.
Not bad. If I win, don't go crying to your mother like you did the last time. Hold on. Hold on. What do I have? I have this.
I need
What do you need?
circle.
Are you sure you don't want anything else?
No.
I don't have circle.
Daddy, can we go swimming?
You want to go swimming today?
Yes.
But sweetie, it's raining outside. Don't worry, when it stops raining, I'll take you shopping.
Yay, thank
Okay?
you.
You're welcome. Me next. Hey, me next.
Daddy, I think I want to dance instead.
Really? Okay, let's
Yeah.
turn off the TV. Let me have the TV remote control. So what dances have you been learning in school?
I don't know, we just did some.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song?
I don't really have one.
You don't really have one? Okay, I'll play something for you. Don't worry. Show me what you've learned so far. Okay.
Then I twirl. And when will you dance with me?
You didn't tell Mom that you were learning how to dance?
Sorry, forgot.
I don't know how to dance.
I'll teach you.
Okay, so?
We dance.
Okay.
Then twirl.
Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, go down.
How about you too?
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Go down.
Oh, this. But why don't you join us?
Me? I'm not much of a dancer.
I mean, tell your daddy to come and join us. Okay.
Okay. So I turn you around.
Okay.
And then I turn mommy around.
Okay.
Then the both of you turn me around.
Okay. I'll be right there. What a pleasant surprise. When did you get into the country? What is it? Why are you crying?
I'm no longer a woman. My doctor said I will never get pregnant again.
Come here. It's okay, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine, it's okay.
Hey. I want to ask you something. What's going on between you and Magdalene?
Honey, she is asking for too much. Each time she calls, is one problem or the other.
Look, we have to try to help her in any way that we can. After all, she's family.
She needs a job. And if you keep giving her money each time she calls, she won't get one.
I see. last time I heard she was in Italy. At what point did she return?
I wouldn't know. Look, even while she was there, she kept calling, asking for money. And I was giving her. What she needs right now is his job. The country is hard. And you know it.
Look, I understand all that you're saying and you've spoken well. But we have to try and help her. In the least that we can, even if it's just a little bit.
It's fine. Okay, no problem.
So what are you watching?
I was trying to check the show and I don't know, I think they are 30 minutes later, so. I think I will have to give her the money. Yes. Yes. What's happening?
There's a lot you need to answer to.
What did you tell him? Answer me, what did you tell him? Why do you have to tell him? Why? I mean, I was going to give you the 10 million naira.
Is 10 million what, more than my child?
I didn't say that. But you don't have to tell him that, do you?
I will come take my child on Sunday.
No. Meg, you can't do that to me. Meg! Magdalene! No, she can't do that to me. No, she can't do that. No. The princess belongs to me. She's my child. She's my baby. No. Look, babe.
Look, why are you stammering? Just tell me the truth.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Is that all you have to say? I thought I knew you.
Oh my God. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Daddy,
Hey, baby girl.
are you alright?
I'm fine, baby girl.
Are you angry at mommy? Daddy,
Baby girl, I am not angry at anyone. Why didn't you tell me?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. And how is being sorry supposed to solve anything?
Babe, I'm really sorry. I did it because I don't want to lose you.
You don't want to lose me. And what are you talking about? Her mother died because you refused to give her 200,000 naira. And you're talking about you don't want to lose me. What is the connection?
Is that all that she told you?
I don't know, maybe there's something else you want to tell me.
No. Nothing. Nothing. Babe, I promise I'm going to give her the money tomorrow.
Are you aware that her mother died because you refused to give her the money that she asked you for?
Oh. Babe, look, I promise you, tomorrow I'm going to give her the money, okay?
I will, I promise. I almost gave myself away.
Sir, I'm very, very hardworking. I can clean, I can mop, I can do just anything I want, sir, please. Sir, please, I promise you, I will not fail you, sir. Sir, please. Please, sir, please hire me, sir, please.
Young man.
Sir?
Before you came in here, I'm sure that you read the post that was outside.
Yes.
That I want only female cleaners. So what are you doing here?
Sir, I swear I can work as a woman. Sir, I can even cook. See, I can cook egusi, melon, or vegetables. Sir, I can cook, sir, please. Sir, please help me.
But you're missing the point here. I don't want any male staffs in my house.
I beg. Sir, I beg. I really need this job, please, sir. I need this job. Help me. Please help me. So that I can go to Warrior and look for my real mother, sir, please. Sir,
I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do.
Sir, please help me, sir. Please help me, sir. I'm begging, sir. Please help me. Sir.
Hey, my darling, my princess.
Daddy. What's that, Daddy?
It's just a young man looking for a job.
Wait, Uncle Tito.
Do you know this man?
Yes. He's very hardworking. He was in my school last time. Yes, I remember. He's very, very hardworking. Please, can you hire him?
Please, sir. I'm very hardworking, sir, please.
Look, sweetie, you know it's not just my decision. I have to speak to your mother as well.
Okay, that's fine. But he promised me he's going to work here.
Don't worry, I'll do my best.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Baby, how are you? Fine. Are you good? And you? Fine.
Good afternoon, ma.
Honey.
Hey, dear. How are you?
How was the day?
It's okay.
Who is he?
This is Uncle Tito, and he worked in my school last term. He's very happy.
Otito, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Honey, I will be upstairs, okay?
Okay.
How was it? I'm good. How's yours?
Fine.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please, can I have a word with you?
No, I want to go back to my mommy.
What if I tell you I'm your mom?
You cannot be my mom.
Look, we have the same birthmark. You see? I'm your mother.
You can't be my mom.
Please, let's...
Princess! Where are you? What?
What's the meaning of this? Eh? Do you really have to startle us?
Baby girl, you're still here?
Yes. Daddy, do you have a birthmark?
No, I don't have a birthmark. And why are you asking?
Daddy, if someone has the same birthmark as you, does that make them your mom?
No, it doesn't. There are several people around the world that have birthmarks in the same place, but that doesn't mean they're related in any way.
I have birthmarks on my palm, here and here.
Sweetie, I think birthmarks make you unique and make you special, just like you are to me. Okay? Look, I'm telling you, there is something going on between my wife and my old house help. I don't know what's going on.
How do you mean?
Look, anytime she comes around, I find out that my wife keeps fidgeting and she can hardly even say a word. Like as if she owes her something tangible, because I don't understand.
Maybe you should talk to her.
Look, I have tried to talk to her, but to no avail. I have not been able to get any information from her.
There's a possibility that she wants to come back, but your wife doesn't want it.
That's not the case, bro. It's something that is beyond me at this point.
You know what? You just take your time and make your investigations. Okay?
I definitely will.
How much did she pay you?
2 million.
2 million? 2 million is too small. Collect money. Forget about the baby.
Look, you don't understand. I feel emotionally attached to the baby. She's so pretty.
I know. Do you like the way your situation is? Do you like the way you're suffering? Collect money and establish yourself. When you stand, then you go for the baby.
It's not as easy as you think, okay? It's not.
Since he said the husband is now aware about the child, collect money.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Where's your mother? Is she not out yet? Honey, please be fast. We're going to be late.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, sweetie, let's go.
I've come to take my child.
What exactly are you talking about?
Tell your husband everything. I have evidence of our pregnancy stages, labor room, and most importantly, our conversations. Enough of the lies. Tell him the truth.
Otito, take her inside.
She's not going anywhere. She's going with me now.
Can you explain to me what she's talking about?
Babe, can we go inside and talk?
If there's anything you'd like to say, now is the best time. I'm listening.
You don't have to ask her any question. My child and I, we have the same birthmark. Same place.
Is what she's saying true? And please do not lie to me.
I'm sorry.
Please, can I take my child and leave now?
Meg, please. Meg, please don't do this, please. Please don't do this. We had an agreement. Please don't do it.
I'm willing to pay you every dime that you've sent to me. I just want my child. Please.
But Meg.
Meg what?
I'm her mother. How do I explain to the child that knows me as her mother all her life that I'm no longer her mother? How will I do that? Meg, please, I'm begging you, woman to woman. I'm begging you with everything I hold so dear in my life, please. This will affect her. Please, maybe we should wait when she's of age. Then we can explain all these things to her. This will affect her mentally. Please, let's not do this to the poor child.
I should wait. Well, I'm sorry I cannot. I want my child now.
Please don't do this, please.
Magdalene, please. I'm willing to double whatever she has paid you. I don't want my child out of my life.
Don't you both get it? This is not about money at all.
Please.
I want my child and I want her now.
Please don't do this, please. Please don't, please.
Okay. If that's how you want to play it, then you'll have to get her legally.
I knew you were going to say that. My lawyer will be here soon.
How can you hide such a thing from me? I mean, what did I do to deserve this kind of wickedness? From you!
I needed to save our marriage. I know I could no longer bear you a child.
That's nonsense. Look, I hate you. I hate you!
Stop it! You have done more damages to me, but I didn't hate you. You made my father disown me at the age of 16 because he deceived me and got me pregnant. Did I hate you for that? No. I still loved you and believed in you. Or should I forget how you abandoned me in the hospital when I was in labor? Did I hate you for that? No. Or how you let our child die? Because you could not bring money to save his life. Did I still hate you for that? No. And you stand here to condemn me. How dare you? How dare you do that?
Look, you didn't have to bring up the past.
That same past is what kept us in this situation.
Good morning, Mr. Kachi.
Good morning, and how may I help you?
My name is Barrister Tina. I'm her legal counsel. This is a follow-up letter from our chambers.
I see. Well, I'm not interested to go to court. You can come and pick her up tomorrow.
Wise choice. Thank you. Shall we? Thank you.
Sir? Sir? Sir, I have a suggestion, sir. I can actually take her and then run away.
Please, madam, please, I beg you in the name of God.
Princess, can we go?
Please don't.
Let's go now!
Please don't take her, please.
Okay. My choo-choo. Let's go, baby. Look, I don't want to be rude before you say your real mother is rude. Let's go!
My, please.
Like what?
Please, please.
Madam, please, you will stay on time.
Please, this will traumatize her. Please, please have pity. Please have pity on her. Please, I beg you.
Have pity on what?
I'm sorry. I'm putting you through this.
Let's go. Enough.
Please.
Let's go. I'm gonna hurt you.
Please.
What's going on?
Please.
You!
Mona.
What? Are you doing?
Please speak outside.
No. Speak outside.
What is going on here? Mona, do you know who this woman is?
Yes!
Mona.
Hey, let me talk. She's the one who took advantage of you when you were dead drunk after the Max party.
What?
Yes.
Mona, but you told me that was a stripper.
I lied. I'm sorry. I said it to save the situation, bro.
Is this what you meant when you said you would do everything to make me happy? Then if you said you're going to do everything to make me happy, why are you now causing me this pain? Why? You gave her to me willingly. Why are you doing this to me?
Kashi, if she's the mother of this girl, this girl is your child. I am telling you the truth.
Are you joking with me?
I am serious. Why are you doing this?
Oh, God.
You know what? You better leave here now, or I will drag you.
You know what? We need to leave, alright? We'll revisit the case later. Please, let's just go.
Do you expect me to leave without my child? That's illegal. I can't go without my baby, my choo-choo. I can't go without my...
Just trust me, okay?
How do you expect me to survive? How am I supposed to leave?
You will survive. Leave!
Let's go. Just trust me, okay?
Sorry about you through this. I'm sorry.
I am 101% sure.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry, my baby. I'm sorry.
I'm only human, I make mistakes, yeah. Whatever I did for love. Ooh. Oh baby, don't let me go. My life depends on you. Ooh. It's been a long time coming. Oh baby, we can make it right. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. No matter the stormy weather, oh babe, we can walk through it together. Ooh, we've been through thick and thin, yeah. But love is a lifetime thing. Ooh, I never knew it would turn out this way. My heart is in pain, oh. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. Oh, baby. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. Oh, no. You're my life, my everything. Yeah.
As if what?
You think I know go cash you?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Where is my money?
What money are you talking about?
Give me my
Can you stop this? What money are you talking about?
My money.
Which money?
You are a thief. Give me my money.
Hey, what is going on here?
This useless bastard stole my money.
Sir, that's a lie. I did not steal her money.
Please, who is this woman?
Sir, she's the one that I told you that she said she's my real mother.
I cannot be a mother to a thief.
I am not a thief.
Look, there's no need for you people to be shouting here.
Sir, she's just angry because I went to meet her pastor and ask the man to find my real mother for me. That's why she's angry.
I told you your mother is in worry. When you get to AP filling station, the house behind the AP filling station, that is your mother's house. Give me my money.
Look, if you adopted him, just take him back rather than embarrass him like this.
I don't have such time. I don't have it.
So how much did he take from you?
50,000 naira.
Sir, she's lying, no. Sir, 50,000 naira, yeah. Sir, see, I have been begging on the streets to eat, even in the church.
Liar! Give me my money.
Not a problem. Let me have your account details.
63 43 60
What
50
bank
50
is it?
FCMB.
The money has been sent.
I've not seen the alert. Where are you going? I've not seen the alert. What is going on here?
Sweetie, it's nothing. I've taken care of it. Let's go back upstairs.
Eno.
So you have seen your mother and you didn't tell me?
Nurse Eno. What are you talking about and what is going on here?
I am sorry. I lied to you that the child you had in our hospital 15 years ago died. I was looking for a child and I thought you couldn't take care of him, so I took him home.
What? It's fine. It's okay.
Wait, you need to tell me.
Are you telling me that Otito is our son? Is that what she's trying to say?
You mean my son back on the streets simply because you don't have your own child? What? No! I get your respect! Get your respect! This is my son! My son. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. It's the devil! It's not true. It's not true. Our son, he's my son. He's my son. He's my son. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No. Today, what do you mean some other time? mistakes. Whatever I did for love. Oh, baby, don't let me go. My life depends on you. It's been a long time coming. Oh, baby, we'll make it right. Please forgive me. I know I've wronged you. You're my life, my everything. Please forgive